In this video, I will show you how to use the order by in Sql. So to start with, let's throw in the select statement. Select all from the adventure. So I'm selecting from this human resources.employee table. I will do human resources dot, then I will do employee. Then I want to order by the sick leave hours. So before I do that, let me show you what the sick leave hours columns looks like. So let's give this a run. So you can see we have 69, 20, 21. So this is what it looks like before I use my order by statement. Let me drag this up a little bit. So we have 69, 20, blah, 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 like that. So let me put in my order by sick leave. So my sick leave is at the top. I'm going to select that. And you will see that by default, without putting the descending or the ascending acronym, you can see that by default, it's order the sick leave hour in an ascending order from the lowest to the highest. So if I put ascending order here and I run it, the result is not going to change. So let's give it a run. Let's go back to can you see? The value is still the same thing. So what it means is that whenever you insert, you are ordering by a particular column in Sql without putting the ASC ascending acronyms, it's not going to change the value of the ordering of your column. By default, it's going to be in ascending order. So for us to see it in descending order, that means from the highest to the lowest. We just have to put the DESC. So let's give it a run. Let's check this out. You can see now we have the highest to be the 80 hours for the sick leave hours and the lowest to be 20. So this is how to use the order by statement in Sql. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.